this rug down here is a lot easier to clean, especially getting dry soil, dirt, and things out of it. The nap is a lot lower, so there's not as many places for objects to hide. The downside with these type of this is an olefin rug. Downside of this material, as you can see in the middle, they've had a heavy table, and it's crushed and matted down the fibers. They just don't have a lot of resilience to that fiber, like a wool fibered rug does. Those are like my wool rug I have over here. These fibers are a lot more resilient to traffic wear and matting. So this rug is honestly probably older than both of these rugs. And as you can see, it's a lot harder. You can't really see where the main traffic patterns are in this client's house. So they are more expensive, and these can be sensitive to clean too. You have to use wool safe products and cotton products for the fringe. There are a lot of extra steps you have to do with wool rugs to clean them. They also do a very good job of holding on to dry soil like a shag rug. The difference between the shag and the wool rug are wool rugs tend to hold on to fine dirt a lot more, where the shag rugs, like I said, hold on to any kind of object you can think of that's small enough. Lego piece, I found earrings, rings, jewelry, like I said, sewing needles, found broken beer bottles in there before. We found a lot of things in shag rugs. So the objects tend to be a lot bigger that are found in a shag rug. But wool rugs, again, they do an excellent job of hiding dirt. So a lot of times people don't realize how much dirt that their wool rug's holding on to. There have been wool rugs that I've pulled a few pounds of dirt out of before, of just dry dirt. So those are my three kind of examples I have going on right now in the shop. So we have the shag frisee rug, a lot of big dry soil objects, a little bit more oily, attracting type of fiber. Then you have the olefin rug down here, which is machine loomed. Also attracts oils, feed oils, dog oils, all that kind of stuff. So again, I'd use like a grease or oil emulsifier to clean, get a lot of the heavy traffic patterns and stuff out of this. And then the wool rug, I use a wool safe cleaning product to clean and extract out all the extra dirt that I didn't get out from the dry extraction. So yeah, that's what we're doing today.